So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? And you would prefer to live in a luxury, guard-gated community, but you're not sure which one is the right community for you. Well, then this video is for you. That's because we are going to visit the affluent community of Tournament Hills in Summerlin and show you some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit within your budget. And we're gonna get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including Las Vegas real estate. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and you tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. So if you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All of that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here in Tournament Hills, one of the most distinguished communities in all of Southern Nevada, with a stunning backdrop of Red Rock Canyon, located in the Hills Village of Summerlin, in the western part of Las Vegas. This guard-gated development is known for its luxurious homes, serene environment, and access to world-class amenities. It is nestled next to the prestigious TPC, which stands for Tournament Players Club Summerlin Golf Course. This residential area offers a high standard of living for residents, blending excitement of Las Vegas with a tranquil and secure environment. Development took place from 1993 to 2001 and consists of 130 custom-built residences with unique character ranging in size from 3,500 square feet all the way up to over 21,000 square feet, with many featuring spacious lot sizes, luxurious touches with such as private pools, large outdoor spaces, and spectacular views of the golf course. The community has a refined and elegant feel with a mix of architectural styles including Mediterranean, modern, and traditional designs, all perfectly blending with the natural desert landscape, as you're about to see here in a minute when we go visit a few homes. Now, while the Strip is known for its non-stop energy, neon lights, and entertainment, Tournament Hills here offers a stark contrast. The neighborhood is serene, tucked away from the hustle and the bustle of the city, which is a big draw for those looking for a peaceful retreat without staying too far away from the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. One of the major draws of living right here in Tournament Hills is the access to the TPC Summerlin Golf Course that I mentioned about earlier, located right over here beyond my shoulder. This championship level course is known for hosting PGA Tour events and is right at the doorstep of the community. In fact, many of the homes back right to the golf course and are provided with beautiful golf scenes at all hours of the day. Residents who are golf enthusiasts can enjoy exclusive access to the course, which provides beautiful and a challenging layout designed to appeal to golfers of all skill levels. Residents of the neighborhood also enjoy mature landscaping, green grass, and desert scenery that provide natural beauty to the community. The cost of living here in Tournament Hills is higher than in many other areas of Las Vegas due to the luxury nature of the homes and the exclusivity of the neighborhood. Property values in Tournament Hills are high, with many homes valued in the multi-million-dollar range, while the monthly HOA fee runs $893 per month. So, while the neighborhood offers top-tier amenities and a luxurious lifestyle, it does come with a pricey, or I should say hefty, price tag. So, let's go visit a few homes here in Tournament Hills to see what options are available to you. And I'm gonna warn you, be ready to be wowed. Our first stop is in the eastern portion of the community and is just down the street from the guard-gated entrance. This home here listed behind me is for $3,500,000 and only has one neighbor on one side. As you can see right over here behind me, there's no neighbor over here, and at the far end over here, they've got a neighbor on the other side of the street. So it's really the only house on this portion of the street. It's 7,392 square feet, which comes out to $473 per square foot. It has 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a 6-car garage, and was built in 1997. You know, this property is a rare opportunity to own a home in a coveted community for under $500 per square foot. Now, a couple of reasons for that is because it's not located directly on the golf course and is in need of some updating on the interior. However, the bones and features are absolutely impressive. This custom estate offers 6 ensuite bedrooms and a rare 6-car garage, a circular driveway, dual home offices, and a casita, which is perfect for visiting friends and family. There's also soaring ceilings, strip views, along with a serene private suite with a sitting room, a steam shower, and a balcony that all add to the appeal of this luxury home. You know, the private backyard also features a resurfaced pool, mature landscaping, and a built-in barbecue and bar area. Now, while the home showcases timeless craftsmanship and classic design, it also offers a canvas for discerning buyers to personalize or modernize the home to your taste and preferences, while raising the value in the process. Talk about killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You know, one advantage to living here in Tournament Hills is the proximity to all of your daily essential services. The Trails Village Center is a short drive from here and provides a convenient shopping and entertainment center for residents to have access to all the goods and services that you're gonna need in one location. Retailers include Vons, Bath & Body Works, Upper Crust Pizza, 24-Hour Fitness, and more. You know, Summerlin Parkway and the 215 Beltway is also easily accessible and convenient to get around town. There's Red Rock Casino Resort and Spa, downtown Summerlin, and Tivoli Village are all just less than 10 minutes from here. The Las Vegas Strip is 15 minutes away. Reed International Airport is 20 minutes away, and the Summerlin Hospital Medical Center is only 8 minutes away. As you can see, the location of Tournament Hills is definitely an advantage to living here. So, let's go take a drive around this part of the community to get a better feel for it. Our next stop is located just down the street from the home we just visited. This home listed here behind me is for $5,995,000 and is 7,757 square feet, which comes out to $773 per square foot. It has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 1996. You know, this estate is located at the end of an exclusive cul-de-sac that you can see right over here beyond my shoulder. It is quite the architectural marvel that was just remodeled into a mid-century modern look and feel. Upon entering, you are greeted by towering windows with sweeping views of a double fairway and mountain ridges. For all of you who love to cook, a chef's kitchen complete with top-of-the-line commercial-grade appliances flows right into the great room and dining room, complete with a 900-bottle wine cellar. Now that's a lot of bottles. You know, for relaxing, the primary suite offers a separate sitting area, a breakfast bar, balcony, and a spa-inspired bathroom that includes a massive shower with a freestanding tub inside of the shower itself. There's also body sprays and double towel warmers. Let me tell you, you have to see this shower in person to truly gain an appreciation for it. You know, there is also an expansive walk-in closet and custom-built shelving as well. In addition, there's also 3 ensuite bedrooms and a potential bunk room in the lower level, which also features a media space. Additionally, there's a loft office area that also has a bar. There's a balcony and a bathroom while providing stunning views. For health-conscious people, you will also be able to enjoy a yoga studio with a steam shower and dry sauna. While the oversized private backyard offers an infinity edge pool and spa, an outdoor kitchen, fire features, lush landscaping, and an expansive decking that makes an entertainer's dream. Really, what doesn't this unique modern home have to offer? It is absolutely impressive. I mentioned the TPC Summerlin Golf Course earlier, but I also wanted to highlight it's not just a place to golf, but also serves as a central gathering spot for social events and leisure activities. Many residents of Tournament Hills are golf members, taking advantage of the community's exclusive amenities, such as a private clubhouse, a fitness center, and fine dining restaurants. These facilities offer a welcoming environment for residents to gather, enjoy good food, and connect with their neighbors, enhancing the neighborhood's overall sense of community. In addition to the golf course, Tournament Hills is well served by other recreational amenities. The neighborhood features walking and biking paths that wind through the area, encouraging residents to stay active. The community also offers access to nearby parks where children can exert some energy and families can enjoy outdoor activities. The proximity to larger recreational areas such as Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area gives residents plenty of opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and enjoying nature that is the Mojave Desert. So, let's go take a drive around this wonderful part of the community to see what you think about it. Our last stop in touring homes in Tournament Hills is located in the northern part of the community with tree-lined streets and mature landscaping. This house, located right over here beyond my shoulder, is listed for $7,499,000 and is 6,143 square feet, which comes out to $1,221 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 4-car garage, and was built in 1993. This single-story home is completely reimagined and a contemporary masterpiece with a timeless style. From the moment you enter the private courtyard located right over here, you'll notice spaces for dining or lounging by our fire feature. Upon entering the home through the 9-foot glass pivot door, you will have immediate access to feeling that grandeur, welcoming you to a home filled with an abundance of natural light and luxury designer finishes. There are limestone floors, Miele appliances, Italian quartz natural stone counters, custom fabricated kitchen cabinets and closets, along with 200-bottle wine cellar and a smart home system, just to name a few features. The primary suite includes breathtaking views, a lounge area, a morning kitchen beverage center, a spa bathroom with a tub that fills from the ceiling, along with an 80 square foot steam shower. There's also her closet, inspired by Chanel, and his closet, inspired by Tom Ford. There's also an impressive feature of this home are the pocket doors throughout that provide spectacular indoor-outdoor living experience that opens to the backyard oasis, which is designed to entertain while maximizing stunning views of TPC Summerlin. You can also relax on the wet deck of the Infinity Edge pool, cook amazing meals in the outdoor kitchen, or lounge by a second fire feature. There is no detail left behind in this immaculate home. I would be remiss if I didn't mention, for those of you with school-aged children, you'll be glad to know the educational options in and around Tournament Hills are plentiful. The Clark County schools zoned for this community include Loomis Elementary School, Becker Middle School, and Palo Verde High School. In addition, there are a few highly desirable private schools close by, including the Meadow School, which is preschool through 12th grade, Then there's the Addison School, which is also kindergarten, or I should say pre-kindergarten, through 12th grade. There's also Mountain View Lutheran School, which is pre-K through 5th grade. And then there's Faith Lutheran Middle and High School. There are a number of fantastic options to choose from to fit your child's educational needs. So, let's go take a drive around the northern part of this impressive community. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the highly sought after, affluent community of Tournament Hills. Living here is an experience that combines luxury, tranquility, and exclusivity, equating to one of the top communities in all of the Las Vegas Valley. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial. So please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live right here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Tournament Hills fits most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf. And we're extremely proactive in our approach to assisting getting your offer accepted on your perfect home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Las Vegas. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.